Next up is a math program called Zearn. I like it because from the teacher's profile, you can go in and push out exactly what skills you want the students to work on, and I have actually aligned it to work to Engage New York, which is a program my school uses. So it looks like Justin is ready for the lesson that is tens and ones, and he has completed the tens and ones learning lab. This one is much more of just the videos. I won't click on it because I don't want to make him do it again. The sprint is really helpful for fact fluency. And then number gym, really working on those number bonds, and it looks like he is ready for lesson number 2, which is adding and subtracting friendly numbers. I really like this because I can put them exactly in what lesson that I want. Again, my school has, our math coaches aligned everything to our current math lessons, yet it is a free program that you could do the same thing to. So if I wanted to go ahead and go in here, hit start, I get a bright little suggestion. How many tens are in 21? Tens and ones are in 21. He could go in and type 2 tens, 1 1, hit enter. See how's he does. How can you show 21 in a number sentence? So again, he can kind of go in and hit, and it does kind of slow them down for that map test that they take at the beginning and the end of the year. I find that this is a lot of really good real world practice. So I hope you have enjoyed my video, and like I said, I hope you check out this resource as it is very helpful for students as well as educators. Thanks.